Hi guys, today in the mail I received a shoe rack and a bench combined from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I did want to show you how it looks all put together. So as you can see, it has a really nice wood finish. I have 5 shoes displayed right now. So I'll go ahead and do a close-up. And as you can see, it has a nice cushion. This cushion can hold up to 250 pounds. And then I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like if you open the drawer. The drawer does open, so you could put some stuff in here. And then on the other side, you could put books or magazines as well. So this is a great shoe rack.